I looked at Charlotte and he said, Dr. Rotenberger, we will come back. And I looked in the eyes of Mr. Everts, Michael Everts, he said, trust our people here in Thailand. I came back here and I would like to thank everyone here who helped us. I will continue. We can do.
Today, we are starting a new chapter in our history. We were able to rebuild this planet as one of the most modern forges in the world.
Thank you for our customers who still be patient with us and supporting us. We get the full support on the qualification of the parts. Thank you for all authorities, especially BOI, that are supporting us. Thank you for all partners, suppliers who supporting us. Lastly, I would like to thank to Leistritz employees to be with us and fight together and together.